Now let's create this crankshaft. So first we'll enter into here new part design. Let's say OK. So to create this crankshaft, we are going to start from this. So just we'll create this off section and we'll make it here revolve boss. For example, on the front plane, we'll create this off section profile like this. Up to here we'll close it. Dimension for this we are having. So here diameter we are having 32. So we need to provide here half dimension. Then this we are having 72. So we will give here 72 by 2. Next to that, this width we are having 38. So this we need here 38. Then this width we are having here 80. Let's give that width of 80. Exit sketch, isometric. We will go here with the revolve boss with reference to this as central axis. Let's say OK. Then next to that, we are having with width of 15 mm with this shape. So to create that shape, we will go for sketch on this face, make it normal. We need here one circle. Relation between origin point to this point, we need vertical relation. Dimension between origin point to the center point, we are having here vertically. As you can see here, we are having 44. Then dimension for this, we are having radius of 36. Let's give 36 into 2 as diameter. Later we will display as radius. Then one line we want like this. Relation between this circle to line, by holding control, if we select multiple elements, we are able to apply relation between the two. Then to make it mirror, we will create one reference construction line. We need to make mirror this line with reference to the central axis. Let's say OK. Then by using 3-point arc, we will create one curve like this. Then dimension for curve we are having radius of 80. Then angle between line to line, we are having here inclination of 33 degrees. Now if we try to move this curve is able to move freely. As you can see here, this curve center point is not fixed. So that point exactly it should start from origin point. So we'll apply relation between origin to that point we need here, coincident like this. Then let's go for trim. We'll trim these unwanted elements. So once if I trim this, again profile is coming underdefined. As you can see, tangency relation missing here. Let's separate relation between these two. We need tangent. Then exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to make this extruded boss width of 15 mm. Let's give this width of 15 and say OK. Again next to that, exactly at center point of this, we are having diameter of 54. It should be make extruded boss of 46. Here we'll go for sketch, make it normal. One circle we need exactly center point of this. So exactly from here with the diameter of 54. Exit sketch, isometric. We'll make this extruded boss. Total width we need here 46. Let's make it here 46 and say OK. Then later to that same step we need to repeat. Again we will go for sketch here, make it normal. Instead of drawing this entire shape, just we can use convert entitles. Then we will select this entire part. So this again this entire curvature we want. Let's say OK. Exit workbench. Then we will make again extruded boss. We need here same width of 15 mm. So let's give this width of 15. Let's say OK. Again next to that, with same diameter of 72, we need to make this extruded boss of 38. Here we will go for sketch. Already we have created circle, but here we are not able to get. In that conditions, we can change here display style as this hidden lines. So convert entitles, we'll convert this. OK. Then exit sketch. That should be make extrude boss of again 38. Let's say OK. Then again next to that same shape with 15 mm. Here we will go for sketch, make it normal. Again we will go for convert entitles. We need to convert this entire outer shape. Done. Exit sketch. we'll make this extrude boss of 15. Let's say OK. Then next to that, as you can see here, this part it should be in reverse direction. So whatever the shape we are having here, this should be in reverse direction. So just I will delete this. We need to make it in reverse direction. This sketch also we will delete. So I'll change here display style as like this. So on this face, we need same shape in reverse orientation. So in this case, we need to create again. So just I'll create in reverse order. For that, I will go here one circle somewhere here like this. Then relation between origin point to this point, we need vertical relation. Dimension between point to point vertically we are having 44. Dimension for this we are having here radius of 36. So 36 into 2 I will give. We will convert into display as radius. Then one more circle or one line we want somewhere here with inclination. So just we will create one inclined line like this. Then to make mirror, here only I will create one construction line vertically. Then relation between these two, we need here tangent. This line we will make mirror with reference to this mirror about this. Let's say OK. Then one 3-point arc from point to point in this direction. Dimension for curve we are having radius of 80. Already we know this. Then angle between these two we need here 33 degrees. Then center point of this curvature, it should be exactly on this origin point. So these 2 points will make it here coincident. Let's make it coincident. Let's go for trim. We'll trim these unwanted elements. Then relation between these two we need here tangency done. Then again exit sketch. Make it isometric. We need to make this extrude boss of same 15. Let's say OK. Then next to that, we are having here same this circle with a diameter of 54. So here we will go for sketch, make it normal. We need one circle exactly center of this curvature. So if I go here, we will get here one center point with a diameter of 54. Exit sketch, isometric will make this extrude boss. So this should be same extrude boss of 46 equal to this. We'll make it here 46. Let's say OK. Then next to that again same shape we need in reverse direction only. Again here we will go for sketch. Then we will go for convert entitles. We need to convert this one in orientation will be reverse. Just we'll convert that. Then OK. Again we'll make this extrude boss of 15. Let's say OK. So up to here done. Again same center circle with same this extrude boss of 38. We'll go for sketch. Make it normal. So we'll convert here display style as shading with hidden elements. We'll convert this center circle. Done. Then isometric extrude boss of center one we need here 38. Let's make this extrude boss of 38. Let's say OK. Then this up to here we have done. Again here also we need in reverse orientation only. On this face sketch, make it normal. Same shape we want. So just we will convert this invert orientation like this. We'll make this extrude boss of 15. Then again here we'll go for sketch. Make it normal. At this position we need this circle upside. So let's convert entitle for this. OK. Exit sketch. We'll make this extrude boss. So this again we need to make this same 46. OK. Then next to that, as you can see here, total we have completed 5. So this 4 plus 5. Again same one more also we need in same orientation. So let's make it with same shape. So this to this again here sketch, make it normal. Same orientation again we wanted. So just we'll convert this. We'll make this extrude boss of 15. Okay. Then later to that we need this center part. Again here sketch, make it normal. So we will convert entitles, this entire like center circle. We'll make this extrude boss of center 138. Just give 38, say okay. Again we will go for sketch here, make it normal. So here we need reverse orientation 2 profiles. So we'll go for convert entitles. We need to convert this shape. This will make this extrude boss of 15. Okay. Then circle we need downside. So again on this face we'll go for sketch, make it normal. We need convert entitle for only this center circle. Let's say okay. Exit sketch. We'll make this extrude boss. So same this downside we are having 46. Let's give dimension for this 46. Then again on this face we'll go for sketch, make it normal. Again I'll convert entitles with this shape. Okay, exit sketch. Then again extrude boss of we need 15. Let's say okay. Then one more here, same center circle with a diameter of 72. Let's convert this center circle. Let's say okay. Then exit sketch, we need to make this extrude boss of same this dimension we are having for the center circle. As we can see 38 we need to make extrude boss. Okay. At the end we are having here this one more circle with a diameter of 144. So to create these two steps you can draw half section, we can make it here revolve boss also, or else separately we can do pad and pad. So again here just we'll go for sketch, make it normal. I'll create one circle exactly from origin with a diameter of, as we can see, outer diameter 144 we want. Exit sketch, then extrude boss. This should be extrude boss of 15 mm. Let's give this extrude boss of 15. Let's say okay. Now entire display style will convert into shading with edges like this. Then later to that we are having here fillets with radius of 3 for all these sharp edges. So let's apply fillet with radius of 3 mm for all these edges. So let me select this one by one. As you can see from here we need to start again here. So only this, then this, then here also we need to select on both sides. So let me select all these edges. We'll select all on one side. Later we'll go for one more side at a time. Just we can use this all concave 10 edges. All will be selected at a time like this. Then we need here only radius of 3 mm, radius 3. Let's say okay. Like this properly fillet will be applied for all at a time. Then here we are having diameter of 10, 8 holes exactly on position of diameter 110 circle. It means we need to create hole. We'll go for hole wizard. So to create hole with our own parameters, we'll go for legacy hole with a diameter of 10. Depth should be up to next. Position should be exactly on this face. So somewhere here, make it normal. Then escape. We need here one circle. It should be for construction. It is like BCD or PCD circle. BCD stands for base circle diameter. PCD stands for pitch circle diameter. Now this circle we need 110. Add relation. This point should be exactly on this construction circle. Make it here coincident. Then as you can see, total we need here 8 holes. So directly we can apply relation between center pointed to this. We can make it horizontal or vertical, any one. Let's say OK. So one hole we have created here. By using this, we need to create duplicate holes of total 8. We can go directly here, circular pattern. Direction is with reference to this. Total we need here only 8. Let's say OK. So in this way, you can create this crankshaft. So then just we'll change some color for this. We'll go here with appearance for this part. Let me apply some color for this. So just I'll apply some different color for this like this. And let's say okay. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.